Today, we're installing the most requested, nope, fit up, one more time. Today, we're gonna be installing a LightMode kit on the most requested helmet to date. Can anyone guess what that is? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with, do-rock.
No, it's not the
That's right. Oh, I spoil you. Oh, what?
That's in 2 weeks.
Oh, that's not today?
No, my friend.
Today, we're installing a LightMode kit on the most requested helmet to date, and that would be the Icon Airflite. Yes, that's right. Apparently, I put up a poll asking you which one you guys want to see more, and you voted for this one. So last year, I LightModed this Icon Airflite Quicksilver with two Tron S blades. So as you can see, with two kits comes two controllers. The benefit of the Evo kit is that you can get 4 lights with only one controller. So these 4 light strips, if you add up the total surface area, it is about twice as much as one of these. So in order to power that much surface area, you need 2 controllers. So what I did with this Evo kit is I strategically redesigned the light strips to make them a little bit smaller and a little bit narrower, allowing you to power 4 lights off one controller. So the reason why the Airflite is such a perfect helmet to LightMode is mainly because of the spoiler right here. So because of the spoiler, you can hide the cables, and almost from every angle, it just gives you a really clean look and you don't have to worry about any of the bulk or the clutter. And then the back of this helmet, the curvature, is like the perfect curvature for the LightMode mount. So I don't know if you guys know, but the Airflite, it comes in like, God, I don't know, like 20 different graphics or something, tons. So I put up a poll on the LightMode Helmet's Instagram page asking you guys which Icon Airflite you want to see LightModed next. I wanted to do the Icon Airflite Synthwave just because I'm a Synthwave fan, but a good majority of you guys voted for the Battlescar instead, so I guess I had no choice. I had to ask for the Battlescar for you guys. If you guys have any idea to make this channel a little more interesting, I feel like I'm just doing the same things over and over with the LightMode installs. Hello? Look out my window. Why? Damn, that looks good. What do you guys think? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put this on my friend's head. That sounds wrong. My friend, Husty, he's gonna be modeling this helmet. He's essentially gonna just be wearing it. Anyways, one other thing, guys, this channel has been growing pretty fast lately. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. So I'm thinking that we should maybe do some kind of a giveaway. If you guys are down for that, give me some ideas. I need some contest ideas. And I think what I would do is I would probably give away that helmet over there, the Icon Airflite with the two blades on it. And then yeah, we'd pick a winner or something, and yeah, that's all I got. Whatever. It's the worst sign out ever.